Happy day, my dear kids. Today we are going to see arithmetic operations. Here we are going to check out using approximation method. Here we are going to add these two numbers together. 9 plus 3, 12. From 12 we have to write only 2 here. Then 1 will be carried over to next place. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So from 10 we have to write 0 over here. Then 1 will be carried over to next place again. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. From 13 we have to write 3 over here. And 1 will be carried over to next place. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. So from 10 again we have to put 0 only. And 1 will be carried over to next place. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. From 13 we have to write only 3 here. 1 will be carried over to next place from 13. 9 plus 1, 10. Nothing is there, so we no need to add here. 9 plus 1 is 10. We have to write 10 as it is. So this is the addition value of 9,99,999 plus 30,303. To check whether our answer is right or not in normal addition, we have to do round off method. For 9,99,999 we have to round off this value to 10 lakh. Here to round off the value always we have to see the highest place, lakh. We cannot round off the single value, so we have to take 2 digits. 99 is nearest to 90 or 100. 100. So instead of 90 we have to put 100. For the remaining values from here we have to put zeros. For from here to here we have to put zeros. So 9,99,999 can be written as 10 lakh. So I have written already as 10 lakh. And we have to write 30,303 as it is. Now add these values. 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 0 plus nothing, 0, 1 plus nothing, 1. So now listen here, 10,30,303 we got the answer. But if you round off this value, check it in highest place. 1 is there. If you round off this value, what will we get? Do we get the same answer from those two additions, normal addition and round off addition? So just only one value was changed. See here in ones place 2 is there. Here in ones place 3 is there. Compared to normal addition and round off addition, we got approximately same value. Just in ones place the value was different. In ones place here 2 is there in normal addition. In ones place 3 is there in round off addition. Apart from the ones place, all the remaining values are same. So both normal addition and our round off addition is equal. Our answer is right. If you round off the value and find the answer, we can check with the normal answer. So both answers are right. Our calculation part is also right. Compared to normal addition and round off addition, we got approximately same value. Just in ones place the value was different. In ones place here 2 is there in normal addition. In ones place 3 is there in round off addition. Apart from the ones place, all the remaining values are same. So both normal addition and our round off addition is equal. Next, division. Number is given. We have to divide this number by 3. In divisor only one number is there, so we have to take first number in the dividend. 1 digit number is there in divisor, so we have to take only 1 digit in the divisor also. Okay, highest place is 2. So here 2 is smaller than 3, so we cannot divide it. Now we have to take 2 digit. Okay, if it is smaller than the divisor, then we have to take 2 digit in the dividend. 23. How many times we will get 23 from 3? 7 3s are 21. If we take 8 times, then we will get 24. So 24 is greater than 3. So we should not take 8 times. Now subtract these two. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Now bring down next number 3. Again we will get 23. So how many times we will get 23? 7 times. 7 times we will get 21. As I said already, we should not take for 8 times. So subtracted 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Bring down 4. How many times we will get 24 from 3 table? 8 times. 8 3s are 24. So we have to write here as 24. Now subtracted 0. 24 minus 24 is 0. Now bring down 2. Can we divide 2 by 3? No, because 2 is smaller than 3, so we cannot divide. So we have to bring down the next number. Before bringing down the next number, what we have to do? We have to divide 2 by 3. So how many times we will get 0 from 3 table? 3 zeros are 0. 0 is smaller than 2, so we can consider 0 times. If we take 1 time, we will get 3. So 3 is greater than 2, so we should not take 1 time. We have to take for 0 times only. 2 minus 0, 2. Now we can bring down next number 8. How many times we will get 28? 9 times. 9 3s are 27. If we take 10 times, then we will get 30. 30 is greater than 28, so we should not take for 10 times. 8 minus 7, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Do we have any other number after 8? No. So we have to stop up to this. So our answer is 77,809. This is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Okay. We have to do the same problem using different method. Round off 2,33,428 to the nearest 10 to check the answer. So nearest 10 means in tens place what is there? 2. We cannot round off 2 separately, so we have to take 2 digits together. After 2 we have to take another number also, 28. The 28 is nearest to 20 or 30? 28 is nearest to 30. So we have to write the round off value as 2,33,430. Hope you all understood. As I said already, we have to round off the value. Okay. Then we have to do division by using same divisor 3. How many times we will get 23? 7 times. 7 times 21. Subtract the value. Then again we will get 3. 3 minus, again we will get 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Bring down 3. Again 7 times 21. Again subtract it. We will get the remainder as 2. Now bring down 4. How many times we will get 24? 8 times. 8 4s are 24. Subtract it. Then we will get 0. So bring down 3. How many times we will get 3 from 3 table? 1 time. 1 3s are 3. Subtract it. Then we will get 0. Bring down 0. How many times we will get 0 from 3 table? 0 times. Again we will subtract, then we will get the remainder as 0. So we got the remainder as 0 by using approximation round off method. And quotient as 77,810. Compare the quotient value in both methods, normal division method and round off method. So in normal division method we got the answer as 77,809. Here we got the answer as 77,810. Normal division's answer is approximately equal to round off division's answer. So both are same. We got the right answer. Do next sum by using normal division method. Here 2-digit number is there in divisor. In dividend, first 2-digit is 14. If we have 2-digit in divisor, we have to take first 2-digit in dividend also in first step. So 14 is less than 16, so we cannot divide it. So we have to consider one more digit with 2-digit. How many times we will get 149 by using 16th table? 9 times. 9 times 144. Now subtract these two values. If we take 10 times, we will get 160. 160 is greater than 149. So we should not take 10 times. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 4 0. 1 minus 1 0. Bring down next number 4. How many times we will get 54 by using 16th table? How many times we will get 54 from 16th table? 3 times. 3 times 48. If you subtract these two, what will we get? The remainder as 6. Now bring down 5. How many times we will get 65 from 16th table? 4 times. 4 16s are 64. If you subtract this, what will we get? 5 minus 4, 1, 6 minus 6, 0. Now bring down 2. 12. 12 is smaller than 16, so we cannot divide it. How many times we will get 12? We cannot get. So we have to take 0 times. 0 times 0 16s are 0. Now we have to subtract it. So 12 minus 0 is 12. Now we have to bring down 8. How many times we will get 128? We will get 128 by using 8. 8 16s are 128. If you subtract this, we will get the answer as 0. 8 minus 8 0, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 1 0. Therefore we got the answer as 93,408 by using normal division method. 14,94,528 as 16 lakh after round off method. If you divide 16 lakh by 16, we will get the answer as 1 lakh. But we got the answer by normal division method as 93,408. Is this two same? No. So round off method is different from normal division method. We got different answer. So this method is wrong. This method is wrong. This is right. Okay. Here we have to do normal multiplication. Okay, children. From ones place we have to start. Okay. 9 6 are 54. From 54 we have to write only 4. 5 will be carried over to next place. So multiply with tens place. Ones with tens place. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 5 47. So we have to write 7. 4 will be carried over to next value. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4 28. So we have to write only 8. 2 will be carried over to next value. 6 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 2. Next go to next place value 10,000s place. From 1's place 6 5s are 30. From 30 we have to write 0 only. 3 will be added to next multiplication value. 1 6 are 6. 6 plus 3 9. Hope you all understand one multiplication of ones place with the given number. Next we have to move to tens place. Here in tens place 1 is there from 16. So we have to multiply 1 with the above number given. 1 9s are 9. Where we have to write 9? Here? No, because we started with tens place. So we have to write the answer also under tens place. This is tens place value. So 1 9s are 9. We have to leave one gap. Then we have to write the answer. Because we started from tens place from 16. So we have to write the answer in tens place only. 1 7s are 7. 1 4s are 4. 1 0s are 0. 1 5s are 5. 1 ones are 1. Now we have to add this value. 4 plus nothing, 4. 9 plus 7, 16. You have to write only 6. 1 will be carried out to next place. 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 1 will be carried out to next place from 16. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 5, 14. We have to write 4 only. 1 will be carried out to next place. 1 plus 1, 2. Answer for normal multiplication method. Kindly check this answer with the round of value method. Hope you all understood the concept. Before doing your homework problems, watch the video completely, then do it. Thank you, my dear kids.